What changed my situation with money was I stopped wondering where my money went. And I started managing every dollar before I got the dollar. Stop wondering where the money went, like after the fact, and start managing every dollar before you get the dollar. See, every single person that watching this right now has already made a decision about money. Some people decided to manage the money and some people decided to let the money manage them. But I believe that managing the money is really the cornerstone for everything else you do. Usually, what solves your money problems first is better money management. And I had to get real keen about this and real particular and specific about this, right? We think it fixes it. So we're trying to go get more money, trying to get more money. But really, it's the management of that money that's going to fix a lot of money behaviors. Organization and management creates control, right? And control is what sets you up for freedom in terms of your personal finances and less stress, right? Financial stress is not just caused by money. Money is the ultimate symptom, but there's something deeper going on, right? Most people, they don't know, they have no clarity, they're sort of guessing, they're sort of reacting to what's happening with them with money. And so when you really focus on managing the money before you get the money, that replaces the guessing with more clarity. Right. And I'm talking about is sort of money psychology. The first decision that changes your life is simply getting organized with your money, managing your money through things like a net worth statement, a budget every single month. These are things that you need to get clarity, because the first thing you got to do if you're trying to get better with your money is you got to get clear with what you have. You start taking inventory of assets and liabilities, and you start taking inventory of what's coming in and what's going out. That's control. And you want control over your money. When you get control, it changes the way a lot of things happen in your life.